Hear me, huh? I've been talking to you, and then you all have heard me talk. I feel like I shouldn't have to do that, but it happens anyway. It's okay. I will just accept it. So let's read. Well, here's what I like to do. I like to read, and then when go away, and then when something doesn't make any sense, research on it. It makes things go by a really long time, but I learn at a deeper level, or I exhaust myself and move on to another topic. It depends. Anyway, let's start. Let's start with a meme coin. Okay, so in my travels for my online travels for gaining knowledge about crypto and Web3, I came across a distinct subgenre called meme coins, and I thought, huh, I thought those were not real. Like they were just like a joke or like meant to be funny, not a real form of currency. So we're gonna dive into this. So it says a meme coin, also spelled meme coin except no spacing, is a cryptocurrency that originated from an internet meme or has some other humorous characteristic. So that's the first source. Let's click the first source. The first source is meme coin slang dictionary, dictionary.com. It's archived. Let's click into that. And it says meme coin or meme coin. Or meme token. You don't hear a lot of meme tokens. At what part of the blockchain is a meme token on? Half for realsies? Question mark? Just just trying to find out. Just for a friend. This is dictionary.com. It's an actual, right? Dictionary.com. Is this actually like the dictionary people? Okay, nice numbers, bro. Leading digital dictionary. Okay. Dictionary.com's main proprietary source is the Random House Unabridged Dictionary, which is continually updated by our team of experienced lexicographers and supplemented with trusted established sources, including American Heritage and HarperCollins, to support a range of language needs. Okay, dictionary.com also offers a word of the day, synonym of the day, word games, software. Okay. What does meme coin mean? A meme coin is a cryptocurrency that is based on a meme or that was created as a joke in much the same way as a meme. I gotta change the music, you guys. Perhaps the most prominent cryptocurrency commonly preferred to as a meme coin is Dogecoin, a cryptocurrency based on the Doge meme. There are many others. Sometimes the term meme coin is applied in a dismissive way to more mainstream cryptocurrencies. Okay. Often to imply the belief the cryptocurrency will be short lived or is likely to lose value after initial activity. Oh my god. I knew it. I knew it. Meme coins tend to be trendy and one offs that don't spark long term interest. Meme coins are often collected or traded by people who simply want to be part of the joke, but like other cryptocurrencies, they are sometimes treated as investments whose value can increase sharply along with popularity. In general, cryptocurrencies are generally, I don't like that they said general twice in one sentence. Considered highly volatile, true, and meme coins are seen as particularly prone to such volatility. Agreed. A meme coin was the Darth Vader was trending on Twitter today. I'm dead. Oh, that's wonderful. That's hilarious. Okay, now we can back up. We can continue on Wikipedia. You always want to check your sources. So as you see what you read and it has a resource, go to the resource, click on that resource, take a look at the validity of the source, whether or not it's primary or secondary. If it's secondary, you have to keep going back until you find the primary source, and then you'll find out for sure whether or not that information is evidence based. You always want to make sure that you have the facts straight.